Hello friends, thank you for visiting my YouTube channel. Here I am with a quick recap on BTC USDT pair. So before we move ahead, here is a disclaimer. As you know, I am not recommending any trades over here. These videos are only for information and educational purposes. Do consult your trading advisor before placing a trade, and please follow your risk management rules. These I'm not recommending any trades over here. Only if you agree with the disclaimer, proceed with next part of video. Thank you. Okay, so yesterday I had deciphered multiple time frames for you on BTC USDT, and there is not much of changes that has been noticed since yesterday. Uh, Again, there were on the smaller time frames you could have had potential trades, and there were trades, but on the longer time frame there were not much. And of course, this candle that you can see, the recent, I mean in last 1 hour you have seen what has happened, but again we'll go with the in the same framework, and we'll see if there are any potential trades. So yesterday basically what we saw was that there were quite a few negative reversals on various time frames, and along with the negative reversals were bullish divergence also on multiple time frames. If I recall well, we had something on hourly, 2 hourly time frames and all. So we'll quickly we'll see what has happened in last 24 hours. So on 12 hourly time frame we had everything, sorry, 12 hourly time frame, there was nothing much is still there. Basically what you have is a trade which is aligned towards the bearish side. Okay, going to the 8 hourly time frame. On 8 hourly time frame there were bullish divergence and negative reversal. That bullish divergence has been broken. As you can see, this if we draw a trend line between these 2 points, this was broken, and that is what has presented trade. But actually this is not something classic in nature. Coming to the smaller time frames, now I'll go straight away to 4 hour. I have not found anything special on 6 hour, but bear in mind that 6 hourly time frame had broken its bullish divergence pattern already, which we discussed yesterday. Now on 4 hourly time frame, we have again got multiple bearish signals in the form of negative reversal pattern and the bullish divergences that are there. Probably this is yet another bullish divergence. I think we have touched it as of yesterday between 45,111 and 44,860. Let us try and draw it once again. Okay, is already broken. See, what is happening is that there is a disproportionate rise in the momentum indicators, but price is not getting supported from price is not getting supported from the higher time frames. So what is happening is basically your indicators are rallying too much uh, on the lower time frames, and it is reaching to the overbought zone of the bearish cloud, I would say. Let me just try to draw this line as well. Okay. All right. Okay. Coming to the 2 hourly time frame, I have not found anything. On hourly time frame also, I don't have anything worth sharing with you. So basically, what is happening is that we have had a very deep consolidation since a while now. Ever since say 7th September, we are into very deep consolidation. Now this deep consolidation has to end somewhere. In an idealistic scenario, this was sufficient to trigger significant upside rally, but as we can see, nothing has happened. I wish that this could have formed a bearish divergence, which could have led the prices for lower somewhere towards 3026 zone. That also did not happen. Now what is happening is that you have got multiple negative reversal patterns, 44 832, 44,864, this is not a negative reversal pattern. 46,062 and 46,169, this is also not a negative reversal pattern, but we have negative reversal over here, say 46,900, 46,132. So basically this is the typical this is the typical trait of sideways market. So basically the biasness will be towards the bearish side, as long as the negative reversal on the higher time frames are not getting broken convincingly. Okay, now coming to we'll just see how 15 minutes and probably other time frames have unfolded. See, you can see here there was a very nice setup. Of course, I was not available. I was driving at that time, so could not see this move. But I honestly could not have even anticipated that move like this will come, that will take price from 44,200 to 46,800. But nonetheless, here is a price divergence, but this is the setup that I was referring to, a bullish divergence along with the negative reversal pattern. Generally it will not stop you out. Generally it depends, but if you're chasing the market and if you want to enter somewhere here, or if you think that, oh, this is the price resistance and this resistance line has been broken, then it will hurt you. See, the ideal position to ideal way to take a trade is near to the moving average lines, because that is where the longevity of your trend remains there. uh, you can if you're entering over here and it is way too late. It is better to give up to this trade than to chase it. Personally speaking, I would not dare to chase the market. Okay, but of course you can choose what you want to do. On 30 minutes time frame, I just want to have a look once. Yeah, it was getting, your trade was getting confirmed from two different time frames, so you got a rally. uh, okay, so you got a rally here. So with this, what we can say is that your expected direction of price for BTC USDT and of course all other altcoins would be moderately bearish. Okay, as I have mentioned already, I am more inclined towards Rune and mainly Rune basically. So you define, it is better that you define your target, because in crypto the such wild moves come that can take you out of the market in a matter of minutes also. See this move that is there. Even if you're trading at 5x, probably you could there is a potential that you could be blown in either side. So be very careful, trade very cautiously, deploy the funds that you can afford to risk. We do not over leverage, because in leverage, if you may make some small sum, but in a matter of, by then what will happen is that you'll start putting in more money. You would like to trade the bigger lots, and that is when you may fall into the trap. The, so with this, we can talk on these topics sometime later. With this, I'm signing off. I'm concluding this video. The expected direction of prices would be moderately bearish till the time the negative reversal pattern on the longer time frames are not getting broken. You have also heard today that there was one rumor on Litecoin, I think, getting an acceptance from Walmart, but Walmart has already declined to it. It's a CNBC article. Walmart says crypto payments announcement is fake. Litecoin tumbles after the spike. So anything can happen. Anything can happen. This is not an equity market where your risk management can be governed even sometimes by your exchange, that there is something called upper circuit, lower circuit. Here there is no circuit. Your price can either, when it comes to rally, it can rally say 20% up or down. uh, so anyways, with this I'm concluding this video, and look forward to see you tomorrow. Good night, take care.